Initially, it was a suggestion that Joan, the dementia champion, made, and I just thought from the start that it was an excellent thing to do. It was different, it was quite innovative, no other schools were doing it at the time that I was aware of. When we approached the manager here, Richard, he was equally enthusiastic, and then it's just mushroomed really from there.
It makes me feel like I want to be with older people more.
When I first came here, I wasn't that confident of talking to them, but now I've been here quite a few times and I'm more confident at it.
It's nice for them to see that the younger ones are enjoying being with older people.
I think it brings life. You know, you sort of get into a doldrum effect, and then they come in and it's all bubbly, and it tends to transmit to you, the bubbliness does.
What we realised quite quickly was it doesn't actually matter what we do. As long as the children are doing things with the residents, everybody enjoys it. And it's been, the word I used to describe it was quite magical. Lots of the residents who never talk any other time would chat to the children and laugh with them, and that's really, and the staff have always said that, you know, that when the children have been, they talk to each other as well, not just to the children.
It lifts you, you know, whereas you're sitting there and I suppose you're thinking about yourself and what's going to happen to you. And then the children come in and that all goes one side.
But it breaks down all the barriers, and you know, having children around definitely makes a difference to the lives of the residents and makes them happy and cheerful.
These young people have learnt so many skills they don't even know that they're learning at the moment. Citizenship is the main element to it, but also, of course, these children's oracy is impacted hugely. They've also had to do entrepreneurial work where they've raised money themselves and they planned all of that, for instance, the recent memory walk. So there are other skills that they develop alongside the citizenship. You will never get more enthusiasm for something in a school-based scenario. So if you have the opportunity, do it. It's immeasurable.